Welcome to Asim Code. The coding community is waiting for you. Hit like, subscribe, and let's make something awesome. Radix Sort is a non-comparative, integer sorting algorithm that works by sorting the numbers digit by digit, starting from the least significant digit, LSD, to the most significant digit, MSD, or vice versa. It uses the counting sort algorithm as a stable subroutine to sort the digits. The process involves grouping numbers based on their individual digits in each pass, ensuring that numbers with the same digit are ordered relative to their previous passes. This is repeated for each digit of the numbers until all digits have been processed, leading to a sorted array. Include the standard input-output library to allow using printf and other I/O functions. Include the standard library, though not strictly necessary for this code. Function to get the largest element from an array. Function that takes an integer array ARR and its size and as arguments. Returns the largest integer in the array. Declare an integer max and initialize it with the first element of the array ARR. Loop to iterate through the array starting from the second element. If the current element is greater than max. Update max to the current element. Return the maximum value found in the array. Function to do counting sort based on the significant digit represented by exp. Function that takes an integer array ARR, its size n, and the digit place exp to perform counting sort. Declare an array output of the same size as ARR to store sorted elements temporarily. Declare and initialize an array count to store the frequency of digits, 0 to 9, each initialized to 0. Loop through each element of the array. Determine the digit at the current place, exp, and increment its corresponding count. Loop through the count array to accumulate the frequency values. Accumulate the count to know the position of each element in the output array. Loop through the array in reverse order to maintain the stability of the sort. Place the element in the correct position in output based on the count. Decrement the count for that digit as the element is placed. Loop through the array again to copy the sorted elements back to the original ARR. Copy each element from output back to ARR. Main function to implement Radix Sort. Main function that takes an integer array ARR and its size and to perform Radix Sort. Find the maximum element in the array to determine the number of digits. Loop over each digit place, starting from the least significant digit. Call counting sort to sort the array based on the current digit place exp. Utility function to print an array. Function that takes an integer array ARR and its size and prints the array. Loop through the array to print each element. Print the current element of the array followed by a space. Print a new line after the array is printed. Driver code. The main function where the program execution starts. Declare and initialize an array of integers to be sorted. Calculate the size of the array by dividing the total size of the array by the size of one element. Print a message indicating that the original array will be printed. Call the printArray function to display the original array. Call the Radix Sort function to sort the array. Print a message indicating that the sorted array will be printed. Call the printArray function to display the sorted array. Return 0 from main to indicate that the program executed successfully. Now run our code. That's a wrap. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting videos.